This is what we got here. The Goya chicken bouillon, the Goya size seasoned dough total, the perfect seasoning. That's the one you need, and the onion powder. And we got some seafood over here, um, and that's it. And some potatoes. We got some onion. Green peppers, red peppers. Getting ready to go. First of all, I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna use these to marinate the chicken bouillon and the sazonado and the onion powder for the fish. I'm using that to marinate the fish. And after marination, and including with the peppers and the onion, and I'm gonna fry it. And while I'm frying it, I'm gonna fry it in very little small oil, so it doesn't get too oily, and so I could be able to eat it without having a heart attack. So, and then from there on, I might add a little bit of water because we need some type of sauce. So you could put a little bit, just enough for the potato. And we're gonna have a nice cook meal. Let's go! Let's go, let's get it. Oh yeah, we're in the process. This is the process. As you can see, we're in the middle of things. And as you already know, this is what's going on right now. This is the chemical. This is the chemistry. Alright? So this is what's going on right now in the middle stage. Yes, sir. Give it a little stir. Oh, I'm getting on the way, sorry. Okay, give it a little stir. If you can see, this is it right here. This is it. In the middle of the process. We're gonna go here. Gonna turn it off. Smell like eggs a little bit. And you already know. Oh yeah, this is it. Almost there. Seafood, baby. We're in the process of things. Getting there. Ah, ta-da! This is what we got. The result, as you can see. Yes, sir. This is the result. A little bit of mayo. This is the seafood, the shell. And on the other side, we got the potatoes. All right. And this is it. That's the meal. The perfect meal. Yes, sir. Okay, that's it for us. Thank you. Smash the like button and leave some comments. Blah.